County in northeastern Pennsylvania. Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania. Until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I called it.
At 5:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bushkill, or 14 miles east of Mount Pocono, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs.
It's getting pretty dark.
Locations impacted include Bushkill, Monticello, McCallickson, Blooming Grove, Bethel, Damascus, Callicoon, Chehawa, Tustin, and Cochecton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Oh boy.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Sullivan, New York. The National Weather.
So basically, I called it. I knew there was going to be some sort of SVR for Sullivan County because I saw a strong thunderstorm statement for 50 miles an hour winds for Sullivan and Pike and Wayne, and I knew it. I called it. So that's when I pulled out my WR300 and look at that. First SVR off the V8. Another SVR. What is this for? Sullivan again?
Warning for southwestern Sullivan County in central New York, southeastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, eastern Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Sullivan again.
At 5:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Elmhurst, or 9 miles east of Scranton, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. A cluster of severe thunderstorms was also over Pike County.
Ooh.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted
Right here,
include
firefighter.
Dunmore, Carbondale, Bushkill, Arkwald, Blakely, Dixon City, Eliphalet, McCallickson, and Blooming Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Sullivan, New York.
Yo! Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Sullivan County, north central Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over McCallickson, or 14 miles east of Holmesdale, moving north at 35 miles per hour.
Oh, look at that!
Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Oh, look at that!
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Narrowsburg around 6:20 p.m. Lava around 6:25 p.m. White Lake and Smallwood around 6:30 p.m. Bethel and Foxdale around 6:35 p.m. Hortonville around 6:40 p.m.
We're getting action now.
Jeffersonville and White Sulphur Springs around 6:40.
Hold on.
Take cover now. Hazard is 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hortonville around 6:40.
There's also on WXL37.
Jeffersonville at around 6:45 p.m. and forward substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris Scranton. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial local shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Scranton repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Sullivan, New York. A severe thunderstorm.
Bro, I was not expecting, literally. Wow.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Delaware County and central New York, northwestern Sullivan County in central New York, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Jeffersonville, or 10 miles west of Liberty, moving north at 35 miles
Bro,
per hour.
right when I'm about to go inside.
60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockland, Callicoon, Tustin, Cochecton, Fremont, Jeffersonville, Hazel, Lava, Fosterdale, and White Sulphur Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Sullivan, New York. The National Weather.
Right when I'm about to go inside, because I'm starting to get a little bit cold and my phone's about to die. Oh, don't stop now. Another SVR just got issued for Delaware and Sullivan counties. Ooh. All right.